Hi, I'm Voyo from Piece of Cake Moving and Storage. We're planning to show you a few tips how to pack your kitchen properly. The kitchen items are usually more difficult to pack. Kitchen items come in different shapes, they're fragile, they're sharp, and they're breakable. Here we have some knives, some mugs, some plates, and we'll show you today how to pack them properly. Step 1, take all of the items out of the cabinets in order to organize them properly. Number 2 is to take some packing paper and in the moving box to make a buffer or padding at the bottom of the moving box. You're ready to get packing? To properly pack a mug, you will want to use 2 sheets of paper and place it safely in a moving box. Next item is a knife. Properly pack a knife, use at least 4 to 5 sheets of paper because you want to make sure you have taken all the safety precautions and place that knife safely in a moving box. Next item are kitchen plates. Each kitchen plate should be packed individually using at least 2 to 3 sheets of paper and placed vertically in a moving box. That's it. It's not hard, but it does take a lot of time to do it. So make sure you give yourself at least a couple of hours when you're planning packing of your kitchen. Come back to this video next time you're ready to pack your kitchen. And of course, if you don't want to do it yourself, you can go to yelp.com and find a moving service near you to do it for you.